spring mass oscillator part 1. So it is a experiment about to determine the force constant K and the potential energy of the spring mass oscillator. This is a spring mass oscillator. Okay, this is a spring. So you are supposed to add some weights by using this hanger in it, and by addition of this blocks of the mass each of 50 grams, and this hanger ka mass is also 50 grams. You are supposed to hang this like this, and then you are supposed to add the weights and you are supposed to go through it. Okay, so let's start with this. The mass of the hanger m naught, small m naught. This is your hanger which is of 50 grams, which I have told you initially. This is of 50 grams. Okay, the next mass attached to the hanger, that is m1 is equals to 200. So we will keep this 4 blocks with this. Each block of 50 grams, we will add this 2 blocks with this, 4 blocks, which will give you 200 grams. So therefore the total mass attached will become 50 plus 200, that is 250, which is the capital M. Okay, so we will find out the position of the pointer when the mass capital M is attached S0. So we will do it when we will perform the experiment. We will find it out the S0 ka value, no issue with this. Come with the observation table. Come with mass attached to the spring. This is small m. Small m is the value of mass attached. Force is equals to small m minus capital M, where the capital M is nothing but the 250. Okay, capital M is nothing but the 250. When we see this force ka value, it is written minus 150, minus 100, minus 50, 0, 150, plus 100, plus 150. So when it is 0, so small m minus capital M. If both are the subtraction is 0, means both are same. So I have written capital M is equals to 250. When it is minus 50, means this capital M has a larger value as compared to the small m. So it is 200. Okay, 200 minus 250 will be minus 50. 150 minus 250 is minus 100. 100 minus 250 will be minus 150. Coming to the down, so it is 250 itself. Okay, capital M with small m minus capital M is positive plus 50. Sorry, positive 50. 50 means what? Small m should be the larger value. So it is 300 minus 250 is 50. 350 minus 250 is plus 100. 400 minus 250 is 150. Okay, this was the observation ka part, that is small m and the force. Okay, then coming with this S is nothing but the extension. So coming with this, we will attach initially the 100 grams in the spring. So this is mass of hanger is itself is 50 gram, and I will add this another 50 grams ka mass in it. This becomes the 100 grams. So I will attach this. As I will attach this, I will get some value. That value is the stretching. It is nothing but this is 3 and this is 4. Exactly it is coming at the 4. So I have written 4.0. We can write with the LC. Next is 150. So I will add one more 50 gram with this. If I add one more 50 gram in this, so the extension becomes 7.1. You can see that it is 7.1. And we will add, we will keep this as 200, means adding more 50 grams in it. 150 plus 50 becomes 200. This time it is 10 point, after 10.2 and before 10.3. So we can take 10.2 with this. Next is 250. So we will add another 50 grams. By adding this 250, we are getting 13.1, 13.2. This is S0 is 13.2. The same number will be written over here, 13.2 centimeter. Okay, coming with the another addition of another 50 grams. So what I will do, I will add another 50 grams ka block in this. This becomes 16.1, 16.2, 16.3. So this will be 16.3. Next, another 50 grams. So I don't have a space over here. So I am using another hanger of 50 grams. So I attach this another hanger of 50 grams with this. So this becomes 350. So coming with the 350, it is 19.6. You can see that. So the position is 19.6. Coming with the 400, then the another 50 grams. I am attaching another 50 grams with this hanger, which I have attached. Okay, so I am attaching this 50 grams in this. So the position is Right now the position is 22.3 and 22.4 ka in between, so we will take 22.3. So it is 22.3. Okay, coming with this extension S0 minus S. So S0 ka value is this 13.2 and then minus S. So S are these values. So you can minus the things. 13.2 minus 13.2 will be 0 in this case. And coming upward, it will be 13.2 minus 10.2, which is nothing but the plus 3. Okay, and I am moving 13.2 minus 7.1, which is nothing but the 6.1. 13.2 minus 4 is 9.2. You can see it is increasing 3, 6.1, 9.2, but with the positive symbol. Coming with the downward, it is 13.2 minus 16.3, which is minus 3.1. 13.2 minus 19.6, which is nothing but the minus 6, not 6. We can do this 19.6 minus 13.2, 4, 6. 6.4 with the minus sign. The next 13.2 minus 22.3, which will be nothing but minus 9.1. Okay, so we have got the extension. After this, we will plot the graph where the extension and the force will be there. Force on the y-axis, x. This extension on the x-axis, and we will plot the graph. So that we will do in the next video. Thank you. Okay, coming with the graph for the potential energy of the spring mass oscillator, we need the k ka value, where we know that the force, the formula is force is equals to minus kx. So we can get the minus k as the force upon x, which is nothing but the slope of the graph. Slope of this graph. Okay, so let's talk about this graph first. So on the y-axis, the force in the gram weight we are taking. On the x-axis, we are taking the extension. Okay, in centimeters. So coming with this, at the origin it is 0 and 0. Okay, when moving towards the upward, so the extension is positive, but the force is in negative. So it will be in the fourth quadrant. And when moving downward, this force is positive, but the extension is negative, means it is in second quadrant. So the graph will be in second to the fourth quadrant. Coming with this, so the points will be something like this. Okay, it will be something like this. So you can get the straight line for this. You can plot this properly and take the slope of this. Okay, if you are taking the slope of this is df and this is dx. So the slope will be df upon dx, which will be nothing but the minus k. And by substituting the k ka value in the potential energy, you can find out the potential energy in each case. Okay, this much only is there in the experiment spring mass oscillator 1. So you have got the extension ka part, you have got the potential energy, you have got the k ka value by using the graph method. Okay, this much is only there. Okay, thank you for this.